What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2009 Suzuki Boulevard M90. Guys, this bike's in awesome shape. I love the color of this bike. Let's do the walk around video. Got those awesome looking aftermarket pipes. This bike's in great shape. It's got a brand new front and back tire. Obviously you're just gonna be smoking the back tire off of this beast. It's in such good shape, guys. I mean, it's got, I think, around 15,000 on it. It's a little, you can see back in there, little paint chip. Get down here, it's got a couple little paint chips right there. Little paint chips. Not a big deal. Front fender's in good shape. It does have a couple tiny along the crease there, if you can see that. It's got a scratch on the front fender right there. Looks like it's got a little blemish there. The keys probably. Key slap in the wind. Boom, boom, boom. Pretty common if you leave your keys, if you have multiple keys on that. This bike's in such good shape, guys. I love this blue color. Like I said, I think it's got right around 15,000 on it. Let's just double check here. Let's fire it up. Oh, 15,027. Before I fire it up, let's check it out. 15,027. Guys, those are cover pipes. This thing is so mean. You can take the windshield off if you want. It's such a mean bike, guys. Like I said, 2009 Suzuki M90 Boulevard. This bike will not last long. These things sell so quick. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.